G'day guys, Brent from Outback Equipment here, and today we're going to have a look at the brand new hammer and tent peg set from Buckwild Outdoors. So getting stuck into it, we've got the carry bag here. It's a nice lightweight polyester material, big enough to fit all of this in there, but the overall size of this is small enough that you can just throw it into your gear, probably forget it's there. Being a polyester material, any water or dirt, anything like that will actually fall off it quite easily. Really easy to keep clean. So the peg itself, great design. It's 23 centimeters long, really lightweight. With the bit of rope on the end of it, they only weigh 16.8 grams each. The rope itself is a high reflective material. Walking around the campsite at night, you have a little bit of light, but not a lot of it. You will be able to see that on the edge there and you won't kick your toe on it. And last, but definitely not least, we have the hammer itself. It's got a nice lightweight aluminium handle, but we've got a steel tent peg puller on the end here and also a steel head on there. Really nice and rugged, can knock these pegs into the ground and other pegs with ease. Also comes with a nice strap on the back here. You can throw it around your wrist to stop it from flying out of your hand if you hit a peg too hard. Now I know what you're thinking, why do I want this set? Well, I've got 3 key points for you. Lightweight hammer, 10 pegs with reflective straps on the top, and a nice lightweight carry bag. All in all, the Buckwild hammer and peg set is a great bit of kit. Personally, I've been using this one for a few weeks now, and I can't fault it. The hammer is super easy, knocks the pegs in with ease. The reflective rope on the ends of these, it's perfect at night, you can see them. Bag to carry it all in. What more could you want? If you want to grab yourself one of the Buckwild Outdoors hammer and tent peg kits, jump onto outbackequipment.com.au. If you have any questions about this one, hit us in the comments down below. Give us a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.